Yeah, so every time I starting to get excited when we teach about some real stuff that we're using, okay? So you'll find that I'm suddenly getting it faster and faster. So I just do an old screen capture here, but the new stuff is also the same, okay? So this kind of asynchronous thing is all around nowadays. Whenever you find a page, don't reload. Okay, so how can you sense it? Yeah, really, you have to sense it. Okay, so I don't know whether you know it or not. Give yourself certain examples. Okay, this page, don't care what is it. Do you think that it is a page reload or not? No, this is not good. This is not good. Let me find something better. Like this. Do you think that it is a page reload or not? Do you think? Do you think there's a page reload or not? Yeah, stop. Yeah, sorry. Okay. Do you think it is page reload or not? Okay. So whenever you try to verify that, then you may need some JavaScript, simple JavaScript to assist you. Okay. How can I know? So let's say I set a variable. I open it up. Open it and y equal to x equal to momo. Okay, too ugly, mo. Okay. So x is mo. Okay. So then you can see x. Now whenever I reload the page, so all the things will gone, right? So let's see. This is Facebook. I jump to newsfeed. Now I jump back to newsfeed. See? Take a look here. I type X. Mo is still here. Yeah, Mo is still here. Okay. What does that mean? You look at the hyperlink. The URL field is changed, but it's actually no change. Okay, Facebook is really implementing something really horrible. It's treat you. Okay, give you a case of a sense is that there's a new page loading. No, nothing get loaded. I try to go another. Let's go to a 3 and 5 circle group. Okay, now I type X again. X again. Mo is still here. Okay, now how to disprove it? Very simple. Reload. I use a shortcut to reload it, F5, okay? Then I type X, no more. Okay? So Facebook is implementing something really horrible. Okay? It's just a lot of JavaScript, okay, to change the hyperlink. Okay, basically it's to give you a feeling that it will load something which is not a page reload. Okay? So this is I would say this is really horrible, okay? And I found that it's not the unique page that do this. YouTube also doing this. Do you know that? YouTube. Some people know that. Right. So there's YouTube. Let's load this kind of thing, okay? Yeah. Can you see this is something loading? Whoa. It's not me loading, right? Okay, this is an advertisement. Okay, yeah, just load whatever things. Okay, not me. Okay, very dangerous. I know, very dangerous. Okay. So be careful. That's why I use not my account. Okay. So let's do it again. Okay. So I set a variable x equal to mo. Okay. Good. Okay. Then I go to another page. Okay. So you can see this the URL has changed, right? The URL has changed. Okay. But I already know this. When I type x, mo is still here. Yeah. So it means that it is extremely common in nowadays world in writing this kind of asynchronous thing, and it's all start with Gmail, and then what's next we will have is autocomplete. Okay. So this is something that you will find it hard to understand, but I insist that I want to show it by clicking this link. So what is this link? I just read the internal, the network flowing, okay, what is URL that Google will try to crawl, okay, and then get this results. So I need to do a copy. Okay, yeah, forgive me, I will use something really geeky. I use wget. Okay, by the way, who don't know what is wget? Very good, everyone know. Okay. So I download this, okay, as a matter of fact, what is this? It is a CSCI, okay, ASCII test. Let's take a look. Yeah, sorry. Do you know what is that? Can you see what? I know it's a string, okay. Can you see what is it? Can you understand what is it? Mm-hmm. Can you see this is an array? And inside array there is another array. And another array is another array. Okay? So basically this is the way that Google implement things. When you have a keystroke, okay? Key in something, have a keystroke, it will generate such a string. Okay, my string, I just type Ajax. Okay, so we can try other things. Okay, what are the things that I want to try? Let's say my QE is Apple. Okay, and then I finish download Apple. So let's see what I said. Apple to Google means Apple Daily. Apple Store, Apple Store Hong Kong. Okay, Apple ID. Wow. Okay, and what is that? Apple Care. Wow, all belongs to Apple things. Okay. It's different. Oh, okay. So it means what? It means that basically they will get something on behalf of you, and later on we will go to understand how to implement this guy. Okay, as our student has also suggested the name, it is called JSON-P. Okay, and JSON-P was a very old stuff. Okay, but then we also talk about another stuff called CORS. CORS, is it? Cross origin request. Well, I can't remember the last guy. Okay, yeah, forget about this. So it's another way to get stuff, okay, from some unknown site, okay, or a foreign site. Okay, later on we'll talk about it. Don't worry, yeah. Okay, so according to what we have last time, we understand that this is our assignment 1 way. Okay, assignment 1 is doing something like this. You do the old style thing, send a request CGI, generate a page, the entire page will be displayed as the HTTP request result, okay? And here we'll try to do it another way. The nowadays is to generate a JSON. The JSON is an object, and the object will go to pass back to the page, and you process it. And all we need is JavaScript inside the browser, okay? So in learning JavaScript, I would say that nowadays it's very good. Okay, I would say that this 5 years we go through a very how can I explain this? Okay, I cannot explain it in English. Okay, 好爽. Yeah. In the old days, okay, learning JavaScript, JavaScript is so painful. Okay, why is so painful? Because this guy. And this guy say that they surrender. Okay, they become something like this. Okay, never heard of it? Do you have of it? Yeah, Microsoft say that IE should go away. Okay, should die, should go home. Okay, and here comes a new browser called Sparta. No one knows what it is actually. Okay, only one confirmed news is it's used the same render engine as Chrome. No, it's Chrome. Chrome move on. Okay, as Apple. Okay, they use WebKit. Wow, cool. Okay. I mean, we have less few. Yeah. What? Customized. Customized by Bill Gates. Okay, so I don't know what will happen if it's being customized. Okay. So hope that we don't need to remember all the brain damaging things, okay? I encounter a lot. Okay, so that's why there are libraries like a jQuery appear, okay? So one of your students already mentioned to me that, oh, why we need jQuery? Because of IE, okay? We want to write a platform compatible code, okay? And I will start something easy, okay? And as requested by Mandong, okay, you want to teach something earlier, so I will push the closure part earlier. Okay, so later on we will understand what's closure. Closure is, if you don't know what is closure, don't say that you know JavaScript. Okay? So a crash course, very fast. I will finish most of the stuff with just the demo with 1 or 2 minutes and then go on. Okay? So something basic. Okay, so what a basic, to include JavaScript code, okay, I would prefer something like this. Okay, you have script tag, okay, and don't write you don't need to write the language, okay. Nowadays it's all understood that it's JavaScript. Okay, can I skip this? Yeah, I can skip it. Thank you. Okay, no one answered me. Okay, so in the old days we have something like this. How many of you have seen this before? How many of you have seen this? Only a few. Most of you see this, right? Okay, so do you know why we have this guy? Or I should say that script language equal to. That means that when you equal to, that means there will be another guy, right? Not just JavaScript. Do you know what is another guy? JScript. JScript, yes. How about others? Any others? LiveScript are very old. I never heard of it. Okay. How many of them? Yeah, VB squared. How many of you have heard of VB squared? Yeah, don't learn it. Okay, it's brain damaging. 腦殘啊 ，OK。好似係打人㗎。好似係打人㗎。Right. Okay. So no one uses this anymore. We will use this. Okay. So I also put in a standard here, and you will encounter some really old code, really old code, writing in this way. Okay. How many of you have seen this? I have. Because I was in that age. Okay. Oh, you don't look like that old, right? Okay. So what is that? Okay. This is a very old code that for old type of browser. What's the old type of browser? Browser that don't know script, don't know the script tag. Okay. You never see this. Okay. That means that you don't need to write something like this. Okay. You can all start with this kind of script tag begin and end. Okay. Then we go to some debugging. Okay. I hope that everyone know how to do debug in JavaScript. Okay. Don't say that. Oh, use alert. Okay. Yeah. Our tutor will say thank you a lot of time. Okay. When running your code, you keep it alert. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. And we want to click the prevent further. Then you say no. We have something good. So later, okay? Yeah, don't do this, okay? At least you know how to use a developer tool as well as a console.log, okay? At least these two guys, okay? Console.log or look at the developer tools, okay? At least you know the hotkey for your system. And after that, we will still have some bugs that you don't know how to remove. Look at this code, okay? I just want to vote, yes or no. Is there any bug in this code? Yes or no? In Java, yes. In C++, yes. In C, I don't know because C don't have true and false. Okay. But in JavaScript, sure. Who think that it is a buggy program and it will just cause how can I describe it? It will stop the JavaScript engine. It's buggy and stop the JavaScript engine. No one thinks so. And how about next? It will just show some, I just think of some scenario. Show some warning, okay, but the program go on. Okay, 2. Yeah, think about the scenario, okay? Then I think about scenario again, okay? No bugs, they go on. Only 2, okay? So how about others? Others thinks that it is not a program. Yeah, it's not a program. Okay, so don't worry, we will go ahead and try this. It's on OpenShift. Okay, so it's a core example. Zoom in too much. So go to error. So don't care about this. I will first explain the code. So the code I changed a bit. Okay, I changed just slightly change it. This part is just the same. Oh, by the way, why I asked this whether it is a good code or not? Do you ever find this there is a problem? The problem is here. One branch say that we should return true, and our branches return nothing, right? Then what should you do with this piece of code? Let's say I do a random. If it's a odd number or even number, it will do other things. Okay. So what should you do in this case? I go to a platform that we can change the code. Okay. So I love to do this. JS Fiddle.net. Okay. So paste the code. All right. So let's determine some of the questions that I asked before. Okay. So I cover up this part. Okay. Well, why it become this? The hotkey is not trustworthy. Yeah. Do you know that the command hotkey? No. Okay. It's a command slash. Okay. Okay, so let me change into this style. It will alert to you that what is the return value. What is the return value? Okay? So, one of the return value is true, nothing, right? How about another half? Guess, what will you see? What will you see? The first half, one of the half of the answer is true, right? And true when input is odd number, right? How about even number? What is the return value? How about others? Yeah, I hear one correct result. And this is one very common bug. Now I run it. Wow, this is first half. Okay, true. Second half, what? Ah, great. See? Undefined. Later on, you will see many examples that I don't say anything. Now you assume one thing. JavaScript is a crazy language. How crazy it is. No matter what, okay, you assign a variables, or just like in this example, you don't say anything about value, then that value will be equal to undefined. Not now, okay, now we see, okay? So then in the PowerPoint says something more, okay? The PowerPoint says that you can discover it. So what does it mean of discover it? Using Firefox, okay, I tried many ways in Chrome, okay, I failed. Okay, what does it mean that I failed? I cannot find a ways, even the use of useString cannot help me. Okay? In Firefox, you can turn on this guy, and then the Firefox console will alert to you that here is something wrong. Okay, because it's I don't know what it is, a pre-compute, or just look at every branch where every branch gives you the same type of return value. Okay? One more thing, very good thing is try cache. Okay, I don't know whether you believe it or not. Okay, I see some people, they of course they insert the try cache. So how did they write a program? They have a bunch of JavaScript. Okay, and they don't want the JavaScript engine to stop. Okay, so you know that when it crashes, it will stop, right? It covered the whole program with a try, and then one cache, and say that boom, my God, okay, there's something like that. Okay, don't write this kind of thing, huh? Although this is a nice way to save your day. Okay, so we have a type. The type is number, string, object, function, booleans. Any more? Did I miss anything? Or something that you have, don't tell me that they are the types from Node.js, okay? I talk about client-side JavaScript, okay? Did I miss anything? Array is an object. Anything? Oh, undefined, very good. I miss undefined. Okay, undefined is a type, okay? Now is an object. Right, not a number. Yeah, I missed a not a number. Great. How many things I missed? I guess that's all, right? But you can already find that JavaScript is just I don't know who invented why he set up so many strange rules, huh? It tells you something, oh, not a number is not a number type, okay? So and so forth. Okay? But don't worry about that, okay? We can always discover a type to say type of, okay? Some people already say the type of is not good, okay? So the new version of JavaScript ES6, okay? People start to do something over this type, okay? But don't worry, we first look at what is undefined, okay? So I have the undefined.js, okay? Where is it? Undefined .html. Okay, so look at the code. Look at the code. So what is the code? The code is basically I have a string, have an I. Okay, I just do some. Okay. So we have a string, we have an I. Okay, so both string and I are declared, and then I suddenly have a variable called j. Okay. So very interestingly, I use a try catch because I know that it will die, right? Then look at what is the printout. Look at what is the printout. The printout say that type of j doesn't exist, right? You cannot see the declaration of j. It belongs to undefined. So undefined is a type. Okay, undefined is a type, and then its value is undefined. Do you see something strange? You don't find it strange? Okay. JS Fiddle. I press Ctrl C. Okay, Ctrl C. Okay, Ctrl V. Okay, then I remove the try cache first of all. Okay. Now when I run it, okay. When I run it, do you know what is the value coming from this? This one, right? I write a string and then say please write to the screen. Okay. Now look at here. It's just just copy and paste between all I to j. Now whenever a variable that I have declared, then it will say that it began with a value undefined. Okay, it's beginning with value undefined, and the type is also called undefined. Okay, unless you give some value to it. Okay, so copy, paste. I need one more. Okay, I give some value. Let's say that it is called haha. Okay. Oh, by the way, some people tell me that they love to write JavaScript without a semicolon. Okay. Yeah. take my notes, okay? That guy words don't trust it, okay? Yeah, he was my FRP student. Okay? Was, not the current one. So the current one stay safe, okay? Was, okay? And what he said is true. I run the program. No problem, okay? But remember, JavaScript is not Python, huh? Don't treat it as Python. No semicolon, okay? Later on, I will tell you this is a feature, okay? It's a feature of JavaScript, okay? Then we call it a auto, what is that? It's called auto, not auto-complete, I would say the auto semicolon, yeah, something like that. Yeah, I hate the name, okay? So it will automatically add semicolon to the place that they think, the compiler think that it is okay to put it there. Yeah. Interesting. Do you understand what I say? I don't really understand what I say, right? I don't really understand. What is the meaning of the compiler things? The compiler thing, that means that the compiler has some rules. Okay? There's some rules that if they don't have a semicolon, it is a not a good program. Right? Not a good program, but not a correct program. Huh? Not a good program, so add it to it. And later on, you will see some colorful box appear. Okay? And when you look at it, you can see there's the string type appear, right? And some people, not some people, one people ask me, hey, how about now? How about now? Now I run it. Now? What is now? Now is an object. Now is an object, okay? So that means that now pointer is always for the object type. And yeah, this is about now. And then I will say that JavaScript is very dirty. What is a dirty thing? Okay. I mean, there are some rules for you to remember. Look at this example. So what is the example is about? This example, I have a number. First is object plus the number. Okay? Then later we have string plus the number. But I know that it is a kind of hard to understand. Okay, so I write it piece by piece. Okay, first of all, I have I equal to now. Then I print out in this way. Then I set I equal to plus equal to 2.2. Okay? Oh, by the way, we don't need the undefined anymore, so I'll remove it. Okay? Now first I have now and then I have proof plus 2. So what is the results? Eh? What? 92? Oh, shoot. What? How come I typed this character? And how come you can see this? Yeah, then you will find that object plus a number become a number. Okay? I don't want to demonstrate this, okay? But I'm getting prepared for the next stuff. What is the next stuff? The next stuff is I plus equal to 2.2. Run it. Become straight. Okay? Now this may be a common to you guys. Oh yeah, I know. A number type to an object type, of course I will automatically cause the number to be a string. You can try this exactly same example in PHP. PHP gives you another thing. Yeah, there's someone laugh, okay? Someone hates PHP a lot, okay? PHP gives you another thing. JavaScript loves string. PHP loves numbers. Okay? I mean, I don't want to memorize it in this way, but this is something that some painful experience remember here. Really painful. Okay? Then what's next? Next I demonstrated add a string, then it becomes something like this. Okay? Now something really important. So what is important? JavaScript is a function. I should say I'll rephrase it. Okay? JavaScript is treating function as a first-class citizen. So it's mean a first-class citizen. They are very important. They even create a scope, okay? You know what is a block scope, right? Block scope in C, okay? It invent a new type of scoping called function scoping, which will appear a few slides ahead. Okay, so now let's take a look at what is a function. Okay, so what is it? Let me copy and paste this. Okay, I don't need this, delete it. I don't need this. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I go to this bunch of things. Okay, you know, indentation. Okay? And then like this. So what is line 9? What is line 9? Okay, can you see line 9? So it's line 9. Line 9 is an assignment. Oh, sorry, not y. Okay, copy and paste too much. Yeah, well, what happened to the keyboard? Okay, so I go to a function like this. Okay, don't forget about the ending semicolon. And then I write I open close. So what will happen, huh? Eh? What? Uh-oh.咦 J 嚇？我仲有 J 喺度咩 I still have a J? In the program, I mean, I copy and paste wrong. Okay, I use a wrong character set. Okay, so again, run. Yeah, right, it's running. So it is a hello world. Okay. Document.write type of I. So what is the type of I? Function. There is a variable type called function, and allows you to assign a function into a variable. And look at the function here. Does it sound familiar? I guess not, right? Because when you write a function, let's say it's called function, it's called foo bar, right? Foo bar, okay. Foo bar, okay. Something like this, should be something like this, right? You're doing naming to a function and define its body. But in JavaScript, we are allowed to write something called anonymous function, no name, and you assign it here. Okay? Of course, you can have a variable j equal to I. Okay? Type of j. Hey, why I always type Control S? It's still a function. Okay? Then this is a function in JavaScript. And this example is a demonstration of what is called function scope. What is the meaning of function scope? What is the meaning? So I first execute the program, and then I will pass the time to Victor. I first execute the program. And it's called scoping.html in my system. Scoping. Okay, now it runs. So don't care about this S2, S4. I just do a packing here. Okay, so what you should look at is the program here. I asked you something first. In this program, I have variable I here, right? So do you expect that I can take the variable I and auto scope? Let's take about the problem about I. Is it allowed? I have a I inside a function. And the I is outside the function, but I want to use it. Of course, it's not allowed, right? So in the demonstration program, I will have a try catch, okay, to look at whether there's a problem. Of course, there's a problem. Then I will understand this because we know that there's about a global and a local scope. Okay. Now within the function, we have a variable j and a variable k, right? Var j, var k, j. What is the scope? It's inside the if statement. Inside if statement. Now, if it's C or C++, even Java, it's allowed to be declared a variable in the middle of a scope, but it is also limited within the scope. Now, take a look at JavaScript. There's JavaScript, okay? So I have to make it wider. Okay, make it wider. Okay, so this is the program. And this is the J variable. J variable is here. Outside this scope, I will print the variable value of the J. Okay? No problem, huh? Now let's look at the answer. I got J. I got J print. Okay? And this is not the end of the story, huh? Here is J, okay, after the declaration of J, okay. But outside the scope, I can still get a J. Here's problem number 1. Problem number 2, I have a for loop here. K is written here. K is for the for loop, right? This is your favorite trick, okay? Your favorite trick is running a for loop, okay? Inside the for loop, I declare int I equal to 0, blah, blah, blah. Here is the same. I have a var k equals 0, blah, 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 okay? And after the for loop finish, this k should be disappeared. Okay? But before using the k, I have a k variable print out. As well as after this loop, I will print k again. So that means within the for loop, okay, we have the k. Should the k appear before and after the for loop? The k before for loop, undefined, not a bug, not causing the whole JavaScript engine to stop. It tells you undefined. And after the for loop, 10. It seems to be normal. No. After the for loop, the k should be inside the for loop scope, right? Why outside the for loop scope? I can use it. Tomorrow I will talk about this. Okay, this is called function scoping. Okay? Wow, this is a crazy, huh?